There's luxury, and then there's BMW's idea of it. What you're looking at right now is not just a car. It's a statement, a philosophy, a masterpiece of engineering and elegance. This is the 2026 BMW 740Li Excellence, and it's everything you think it is, and more. From the moment you approach it, the first thing that grabs your attention is the presence. The sheer road presence of the 740Li is undeniable. With its iconic kidney grille, now more refined and intelligently integrated than ever before, it announces itself with authority. The grille flanked by ultra-slim iconic glow LED headlights creates an unmistakable signature both day and night. Walk around it and you see proportions that scream sophistication. The long wheelbase is not just for show, it's a promise of unmatched comfort inside. And the chrome touches. Subtle but powerful. The Excellence trim brings in just the right amount of gleam, reminding you this isn't just a BMW IT, the BMW built for those who expect the best. Without saying a word, now open the door, and you enter what can only be described as a 5-star suite on wheels. The first thing that hits you is the calm. Acoustic glass, deep pile carpets, and the merino leather that wraps around almost every surface whisper quiet opulence. The dashboard isn't just a dashboard, it's a panoramic tech stage. The curved display stretches across like a single sheet of digital luxury, housing the latest BMW operating system 9. It's fast, it's smart, and it responds like it's reading your mind. The materials are a sensory experience. Real wood, brushed aluminum, glass controls, and those deep, quilted leather seats that seem to hug you like a tailored suit. And then there's the theater screen in the back. Yes, a 31-inch 8K BMW theater screen that folds down from the ceiling, turning the rear cabin into a private cinema. Paired with the Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system, it's like having IMAX in a limousine. But the Excellence Edition isn't just about tech and leather. It's about experience. The rear seats recline with Ottoman-style leg rests, heated and ventilated with massage functions so good they might ruin your favorite spa. There are little details everywhere: the Swarovski crystal lighting elements, the air fragrance system with personalized scents, and of course, the Sky Lounge panoramic glass roof that lights up with LED constellations after dark. It's luxury for every sense. Under the hood, the 2026 740Li doesn't disappoint. It's powered by BMW's refined 3.0-liter twin-power turbo inline-6 engine, now enhanced with 48 volts mild hybrid technology. The result, around 375 horsepower and effortless torque delivery that pushes this nearly two-tone luxury sedan from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just over 5 seconds. But it's not about the numbers, it's about how it feels. The power delivery is creamy. The shifts, from the 8-speed automatic, are imperceptible, and the silence sits like gliding on velvet. Adaptive air suspension makes potholes vanish, and rear-wheel steering makes city corners feel like toy turns. This isn't a driver's car in the way an M3 is, but, make no mistake, the 740Li knows how to dance. Put it in sport mode, and the whole character changes. The steering tightens, the suspension firms up, and that 6-cylinder hum becomes a baritone growl. It's not aggressive, but it's confident. Like a luxury yacht that knows it can outrun a speedboat if it wants to, and then switch it back to Comfort Plus, and you're back in the cocoon. It's a split personality, and both sides are equally impressive. Tech-wise, it's like BMW peered into the future. Augmented reality, navigation, gesture control, 5G connectivity, over-the-air updates, it's all here. The iDrive controller has been refined yet again. But now most of the action is voice-activated or touch-based. Want to change the ambient lighting? Just tell it. Need directions to the nearest luxury resort? It already guessed you were heading there. And safety. Level 2 autonomous driving is standard. Traffic jam assist. Adaptive cruise with lane centering. Even auto lane changes with a glance at the mirror. It's next level intuitive. Park the car. It can do that itself too. And not just parallel full 360-degree memory-based auto parking. It'll even reverse itself out of tight alleys the exact way it came in. But here's the thing. The 740Li isn't trying to shout. It's not loud. It's not brash. It's the kind of luxury that doesn't need to prove anything. It just is. It exists in a space that very few cars dare to enter. It's for those who appreciate silence more than sound, presence more than flash, and intelligence more than gimmicks. The Excellence trim takes all that and elevates it. It's for the CEOs, the dignitaries, the quiet titans of the world who glide through life with poise and precision. And yet, for all this opulence, the 740Li is still very much a BMW. You feel it in the steering, in the way it handles a long curve at 160 kilometers per hour, in the way it brakes, in the way it communicates. It's not detached, it's just exceptionally composed. It's driving, redefined. So is the 2026 BMW 740Li. Excellence worth it. If you're in the market for flagship sedans, you already know the competition. The S-Class is still the benchmark for many. The Audi A8 brings tech with clean precision, but the 740Li offers something a little different. It feels more personal, more tuned to its driver and its passengers. It's less about being seen and more about feeling, less about trends, more about timelessness. And that's what makes it special. So there it is, the 2026 BMW 740Li. Excellence, a car that doesn't just take you places, it transforms every journey into an experience. Whether you're behind the wheel or lounging in the back seat, this is what modern luxury looks like. Silent, intelligent, powerful, effortless. If you've ever wondered what it feels like to have the road bend to your will while you're barely aware of its presence, this is it.